Good evening. My name is Sabrina Sartori from the University of Oslo. It is a pleasure to introduce you to Dr. Dianne Chong, former Vice President of Materials, Manufacturing, Structures and Support in the Boeing Advanced Research and Technology Development Division. Thank you for being with us. Dianne, you have a long career at the Boeing company, in particular at the Research and Development Unit. From your perspective, and given the importance of innovation in industry, how do you view the role of applied and basic research both inside and outside companies?
I think, first of all, thank you for having me during this interview. I think what you're addressing is very, very important to the area of materials and to innovation. I believe that innovation inside and outside of the industry is very, very important. Ideas come from everywhere, all around the world, and we've discovered that it's very, very global, and that it's not just with the researchers in our company or the researchers outside of the company. It can come from anywhere. Practical experience, people who are practitioners at engineering, people who are on the shop floor can introduce great ideas to us. I think in the area of materials, it's very important to have the basic research combined with the applied research in order to come up with the innovations that solve the problems that we need to find solutions for.
So if we look globally, in your opinion, are there geographical differences in the way we approach innovation in industry? If we think about US, China, are there differences between how they approach innovation?
First of all, let me address the commonalities that everybody has relative to innovation. I think globally, everybody is looking for a solution. Oftentimes, people have to discover what is the question they're really answering, what is the problem they're trying to solve. But once they find that problem that they're trying to solve, they seek the solution, and that's common across the entire world. Geographic differences come in terms of the approach, the research, how people deal with patents. Those are, in the bigger picture, not as significant as solving the problems that consumers have.
Here at this conference, I'm sure you meet a lot of students. So what is your recommendation to a young student who would like to have a career in materials science?
I encourage students who are interested in material science to talk to people who have careers, have had long careers such as myself, or people who are just starting in the field at all different stages of career, so they can understand better what they might be doing as material science. I encourage material scientists and engineers to get out there and talk to students as well. Otherwise, people may not realize the depth and the breadth of experience that they can have in a career.
So you suggest to, talk to each other, basically, and be
Yes.
inspired by each other. That's very good. So what do you see as hot topics in material research with the most potential for major impacts in the next few years?
I think looking at nanotechnology, we've already come a long ways with nanotechnology. Looking at the development of new materials in the composites area, in the chemistry area, in the ceramics, in metallurgy, certainly has always been a hot topic, but I think the advances that we've made in understanding how to form new materials will certainly carry us far. And I think combining new manufacturing technologies such as additive will allow us to think of using these materials differently.
And this for sure comes from your personal experience, because at Boeing you have been involved with manufacturing processes. And is this a field where innovation and material research and development is important?
Yes, I think the two go hand in hand very well. And the organization that I managed put the two together and showed the entire value stream from the development of new materials and how they could be applied, either with existing or new manufacturing technologies.
Okay, thank you very much, Dianne Chong. With this, we conclude our conversation. From Sabrina Sartori, thank you for watching.